creating a hosting account with Orange Host. To do this, you visit the website orangehost.com like this. You click on the login button, scroll down, and you click create new account button. Once you're here, you fill in the information. Make sure the email address is a valid email address. You input your phone number, you fill everything, most especially the ones that have stars, the asterisks. You input everything, your country, and you put a password. Make sure you don't forget your password because it's very important. And you click the register button. Once you register, you're going to be redirected here. This is your dashboard. From your dashboard, you scroll upwards and you click on hosting. A drop down appears, you click other new services, and you're going to be redirected here. So once you're here, you see the various hosting options. You select the one you want to go with. For the purpose of this video, we're choosing micro. You get here, you go in for the annual plan, since the annual plan is always cheaper as compared to the other plans. You input the domain name, that's the name you want. You first of all input and you search to see if it's available or not. Let's say we use something like facebook.com, and we search, see what happens, see what pops up. We get facebook.com is unavailable. This is because someone has Facebook already. So let's, for the purpose of this video, let's use this alphaworldwide.com. As you can see, it's available, and I'm just going to add it to cart. Watch what happened when I add it to cart. The 24 point something dollars increased to 38 point something dollars. That means for me to be able to get domain and hosting, I need to pay this money. So I'm just going to proceed. Yeah, I'll just input my card details and proceed with payments. If you get here and you don't know how to proceed, you don't have a card, you can always get to me through the number on your screen, and I'll purchase your domain and hosting for you. Please don't be stuck. If you don't have a card, like I said, you can get to me, I will purchase for you. So once done, I just proceed with payments, and payment successful. So after you must have done payments for your hosting and domain, the next thing is for you to verify your email and activate your domain. To do this, you log into the email you inputted here during the registration process. You're going to see this email from Orange Host. You open it and you click the activate or verify your email address button. Once you click on it, you're going to get this success message. So from here, you can be certain that everything is good. You go back to your dashboard, you realize your domain card will show 1, your hosting card will show 1, which means you have them now. Okay, so to access your control panel from the dashboard, you scroll down and you come to this manage button. You click on it and you choose log into cpanel. You're going to be redirected to the home page of the control panel. So from here, we proceed to creating our email account, the professional email account. You click email accounts. This opens up. You click the create button here, and this opens up as well. Here you're just inputting your credentials. So I'm just going to input my username and the password. For my username, I'm going to use support. I input my password, and you click on this button here, edit settings. You click on it and you choose unlimited. Once you choose unlimited, there's nothing else to do. You click create button, you click the create button, this, yes, and you'll see this message. You wait till it turns green like this, and you confirm that your email account is created. To access the professional email you have just created, you click on this button here, and it's going to load open like this. Oh, this is just a pre-confirmation. and you click this, and boom, you're in your professional email inbox. So this is the configuration email. Always make sure you verify if you've received this email, because the information here is very important. As we go further, you're gonna see when to use this information. After you must have created your professional email, the next thing for you to do is to check your security status. And to do that, still on the home page of the cPanel, you come to the security section, you click on this SSL status. This page loads open. Once this page is open, you ensure every single item on this list has a green color. If you see any other color apart from green, you scroll down, you scroll upwards, and you click on the Run Auto SSL button. I mean this button. You ensure you click this button in a case where some items are not having green color, and it's going to refresh. It does not end here. So after you're done with the security status check, the next thing for you to do is to force the security to always be on the domain. And to do that, you go back to the home page of your control panel, you go to the domain section, this domain section, and you click this, you click domains, it loads open. And once you're here, you ensure this particular button is toggle on. If it is off, make sure you turn it on, because it forces the security lock to your domain. Always ensure it is on, please. Installing the WordPress software is the last thing you do in your control panel before you start building websites. And to do this, you go to the sidebar and you click the WordPress Manager tab like this. Here it is. You click on it. This opens up. You click the install button and you're going to be redirected here. Once you get here, guys, you select your domain. Make sure you cancel the abbreviation WP, this one, and you scroll down. For the site name, I'm just going to input the site title, that is Alpha Worldwide. For the description, the site description is going to be a portfolio website, so I'll just put a portfolio website. The username is going to remain admin. Then for the password, I'll just go ahead and put my password. For the admin email, I'm just going to input the professional email we created previously. So I used support at thedomainname.com. So I'll just go ahead and input it here, support at, then I maintain the domain name.com. Now once I input this, I'll just scroll down and uncheck all these boxes. Make sure you uncheck all these we call these pre-installed plugins. So you just make sure you uncheck them all like this. You uncheck and you scroll down again and you hit the install button. It's going to take some time to load. Okay, successfully installed. You go back, you return back to the WordPress management, and voila, your WordPress has been installed successfully. There are two main ways of accessing the WordPress dashboard. Option 1, accessing the WordPress dashboard through the cPanel. To do this, you just have to go to your cPanel and you click this login button like I'm doing. You just click the button and you're going to be here. Option 2, you go to your browser where you have your domain name, you add /wp-admin and you input. Once you enter, you'll be prompted to put your username or password. So the credentials are gotten from this. During the installation process, you just input the same credentials and you log in. You will still be able to get to the WordPress dashboard.